Today I have a light wand to review. The Sirui T120, and 120 stands for 120 centimeters, close to 4 feet, but this doesn't look that long. That's because it's an extending wand light. This is for anyone looking for a compact light wand that has a good amount of power, versatile with a long-lasting battery that is small, compact, and convenient to use like your friendly Asian neighbor. Before testing it out, let's go over the key features. It extends and retracts. You have a working size of 60 or 120 centimeters, which makes it easier to travel with and use for larger subjects. It has a long battery life, 2 hours at full brightness, and it can be charged and powered at the same time with the provided power adapter. It has 700 lumens in brightness at 1 meter. It's easy to use. Mode button used to switch modes. Function button to change the parameters in the given modes. Plus and minus for intensity. The on and off switch is a conventional toggle. No long presses to fiddle with. I like it. HSI mode gives you access to 360 colors. There are 14 light effects for all your filming needs. Very handy to have it built in rather than needing a separate light. Be that movie star you've always wanted to be. It has a high CRI rating. It produces a clean quality light. Let's go over the device itself. It is plastic and solid, weighing in at 2.74 pounds or 1.24 kilograms. It's not a featherweight and not unreasonable either. There is a bump where the end of the light sits, and it can be retracted to be used at 60 or 120. Nothing in between. The light feels solid at all times, even when using fully extended. It comes with plastic clips so that you can slip onto the light itself to mount in various ways, and I like this method due to the fact you can better balance mounting points. The body of the light itself has 2 1/4-20 threads on each end for vertical mounting. The light comes with a power brick and a carrying case. The buttons are clicky. You can hold for fast scrolling, and the feedback is good for an otherwise silent device. The light has DMX ports in case you need to control multiple fixtures. The light can be used with an app and through Bluetooth, and I like that it has instructions for your device and for the app in case you need a refresher. Let's go over the modes. CCT, which I believe stands for cold cathode tube. In this mode, you have access to control the color temperature from 2500 to 8000. And intensity can be controlled from a very dim 1% to a blinding 100%. HSI mode allows you to select hue based on 360-degree increments. You can set the saturation of each color as well as the intensity. RGB mode allows you to pick accurate colors based on RGB values. And FX mode, this allows you to choose among 14 different effects, and each of the effect has its own parameter in which you can adjust. Let's talk about the power. What exactly is 700 lumens at 1 meter? Here it is at full power in different scenarios. This is mostly shade. I think it does a good job filling in. And here's the reveal. This is in a bright area with more sun. Here's the reveal. And if you're crazy enough to vlog with this, here it is. I would say it's a decent amount of light, not quite enough to overcome the sun, but it helps with fill. This light is not intended to be used as a replacement for strong focused LED light. So why would you get this over a conventional LED light? And I would say that because a combination of factors, you can handhold this device. It's built for that. It is mobile. It creates a rather large light source. It lasts a long time on battery. It can act as a key in a pinch. It sure as heck can act as an accent. It can be used for light painting, product photos, or videos. The Sirui T120 creates a soft light, and it's so handy just to carry it around. And the fact that it doesn't need to be mounted at all times makes you want to use it more. What I would have liked to see in this light would have been a magnetized backing. I understand that might mean that the controls are done on another side to keep it flat, Possibly an integrated square Arca-Swiss bottom and top for tripod mounting. Maybe a hook would have been nice if included to hang the light somewhere, and generally more ways to mount or hang the light. It would have been nice if the light was USB-C powered, however I can understand why it's not. The charger does 60 watts of power and not many power banks can output that much. On top of it, the DC plug is much more durable. The battery built inside is fairly large, so it would take a large battery bank. Probably doesn't make sense. Final thoughts, the Sirui is not the most powerful, it's not the absolute biggest or softest light. It's a light that is extremely convenient to use while providing a soft light while lasting a long time while having many features, and because of the high versatility, it's a light you want to have around. It's so practical that the only real limit is your imagination. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share. See you in the next one. Take care.